BJ here. We will be going over quotations and citation elements in HTML. Okay, so here's the list of what we'll be going over. The abbreviation tag, the address, contact info tag, the BDO, which defines a text direction, a block quote, how to cite, the title of work, and also a quote or a short inline quotation. Okay, so without further ado, we'll see what they look like. Go down to the block quote here. Alright, so in order to use the block quote, which will look like this, it's not going to have the highlighting. I just did it so it's easier to read. So what you'll naturally have is, this is the quote from WWF's website. Okay, and then this part is the quote itself. So what would happen is, it would look like this right here. Okay, so what we would do is, we would make a block quote tag. Okay, we'll open it, come into the inside of the bracket, we'll call cite, because what we're citing it from. Okay, and then the place of where we're citing it from, which would be the website, and then inside the brackets would be the content of what you're citing. Okay, so what we'll be citing is this right here, and that leaves us with this look right here, minus this. That's just a title. Okay, next is the short quotation, which will be similar. The only difference is it's short and it's in quotes, quotation marks. So here we go down to short quotation. Okay, browsers usually insert the quotation marks around the Q element. So what happens is, we'll make a paragraph tag, and then we'll put a Q tag inside of it, and that'll look like this. Paragraph tag, we'll open it up. Okay, we'll have the WWF goal is, okay, then go on a new line, and we would use the Q quote tag, and whatever is inside this Q tag will be in the quotation marks. As you can see right here, we left the quotation marks empty, so they're empty on the page right here, and that will look like this right here, with your quotes inside the quotation marks. And also we got the abbreviations tag. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make another paragraph tag. We'll open that, and then wherever we want the abbreviation to be, like say we want the abbreviation to be first, so we would do that, and then the abbreviation letters, we'll do TO. Okay, we'll do a title attribute, and title welcome. Yeah, couldn't think of much, so, but we got the company title welcome. Okay, which will be TO. So TO goes inside the abbreviation, and then we will continue. Was founded in 1948. And the period, save that. And as you can see right here, We started off with our abbreviation. TO was founded in 1948. Okay. Or we could put it anywhere we want, just like this one. Is The Who was founded in 1948. It could be useful in informational browsers, translation systems, and search engines. So now we have the address tag, which will be a contact information. Okay, will be displayed like this, and yes, it will be in italics. Okay, this is the find contact information, author, owner of a document or article. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have an address tag. We'll open the address tag. We'll write each line, and then we'll put a line break of how we want it to look, whatever we want on each line. Okay, and then at the end of the line you put the line break, go to the next one, and as long as it's wrapped in the address clause, it will be in the italics like this, almost like a handwritten letter, kind of, the address. So next we have we can cite a work of an image or something else besides an image, but we used an image. So what we have is we have Newbie J's, and shows a picture of Newbie J's picture, and then down here below it's Newbie J's, the name in italics, and it's by Jordan, which is me, and founded in 2022. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna write an image tag. Okay, like normal. It'll give us the regular stuff. We'll do our source, anonymous pic.jpg, and the width and height of the picture, the size we want it, and then alt, so we don't throw any error codes. And then after the picture, after the closing tag, we would have a paragraph tag. Okay, and then inside the paragraph tag we write a cite tag. I'll show you, like, it'll be like this. Okay, we have that, and then we'll write a cite tag. Okay, and now what we do inside the cite tag is the name we're citing, which would be Newbie J's, and then after it by, and that'll be me, Jordan, founded in 2022, and that will be it. And bang, we have the same exact thing. Now, for the last thing, if not least, we have bidirectional override, which is a BDO tag. If your browser supports bidirectional override, BDO, the next line will be written from right to left, hence RTL. Okay, so how we can do this is we will have a regular paragraph tag, which is, this is our paragraph, whatever you want to write in your paragraph. Okay, and then any line you want to change it for it to read right to left instead of left to right, we'll make a BDO tag. Okay, and that'll go with dir, which is for direction. Okay, and we'll put right to left, which is RTL. Okay, and we'll close our tag, and whatever we want to be typed right to left will be inside the brackets right here. This text is reading from right to left. Okay, so let's get a line break in here so we can separate this. Alright, here we go. This line will be, this line will be written right to left. This text is reading from right to left. Haha, they're similar, that's why. This is the one we wrote right here. This text is reading from, from right to left. Not bad. Hope you learned something new or seen something new. I appreciate it. Code will be in the comments. Have a good one.